Mathematics Paper 1, Andhra Pradesh State Board, Part B. So here like 10 marks, 20 MCQs, each carries like half mark. So first one, which of the following is a terminating decimal? See, terminating decimal P by Q, it will terminate if Q has the denominator has the factors of 2 or 5 or 2 and 5. It should have the factors of 2 and 5. See here, it is 10 by 3 power 4. So it is non-terminating. And this one 41 by 5 square into 3. 25 times 3, 5 square into 3. We have 3 here. It should have only 2, 5 or 2 and 5. Other factors we should not be in the denominator. So here it is also not terminating. This one 3 by 14 is 2 times 7. 2 is there, but 7 should not be. 7 is there, so that's why it will not terminate. Now if you observe this, 8 by 125 is 5 cube. So it is in the denominator. Here we have only the factors of 5. So it will terminate. So the correct option is C. And see, if they'll ask one more question like how many decimals, the highest power of 2 and 5 you can see. So here we'll get like 3 decimals. They didn't ask, but in the denominator we have the factors of 5, therefore it is terminating. Next question, if you see the next one, find the value of log 32 to the base 2. So log 32 you can write like 2 power 5 to the base 2. So clearly it is in the form of log a power m, logarithm of power. Log a power m to the base x equals m log a to the base x. So here in place of m we have 5 log 2 to the base 2. Next, logarithm of a number to the same base value is 1. So 5 times log 2 to the base 2 is 1. So 5 times 1 is 5. So the correct option is D. Next, if 3 is the 0 of the polynomial x squared plus kx minus 9. So in place of x substitute 3 directly. So 3 square plus k into 3 minus 9 equals 0. So 3 square is 9 plus 3k minus 9 equals 0. So 9 minus 9 cancel. So 3k equals 0, k equals 0 by 3. Therefore the value of k is 0. So the correct option is A. Next one, pair of lines consistent. See, consistent means intersecting lines and coincident lines, because for these two lines we'll get the solution. For this you will get one solution. For this you will get infinitely many solutions, infinite solutions. So here you will get like one solution. The condition for this is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, and for coincident a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2. So these are intersecting lines. Here you will get like they'll intersect at one point, we'll get one solution. Coincident lines you will get many solutions. So these two lines will called as consistent. So here intersecting A is correct and C is correct. So don't keep A, C. The D option if you observe A and C. So here the correct option is D. And parallel lines are inconsistent. Condition is A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. These are parallel lines. Parallel lines are inconsistent. Next one. Here it's a cubic polynomial. Okay, standard cubic polynomial. They are asking product of the zeros. So see, we have three formulas. Sum of the zeros is minus b by a. Sum of the product taken two zeros at a time is c by a, and product of the zeros is minus d by a. So minus d by a. So correct option is B. Correct option is B. Next one, 19th question. In this, which term of the AP equals to 0? So an equals 0. An formula is a plus n minus 1 into d is 0. Here the first term is 18 plus n minus 1 into d. D you will find like a2 minus a1. So 15 minus 18, which is minus 3. So d is minus 3 equals 0. So 18 minus 3n minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3 equals 0. 18 plus 3 21 equals minus 3n. If I'll transpose, it will become plus 3n. So 21 by 3 is n. So n equals 7. So seventh term is 0. So the correct option is D. Next, A subset of B. A subset of B. Then see, if A subset of B, in A we have 4 elements. In B we have 6 elements. The number of elements in A union B will get again 6 elements only. I'll take one example of A subset of B. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are like 4 elements. In B, you take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, cardinal number is like 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements. If you do for this A union B, if you do A union B, see here, A union B will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, which is nothing but you will get again B only. See here, I took the example of A subset of B. A subset of B is nothing but all the elements of A are in B. Then when I did A union B, I got B. So A union B, how many elements we have? 6 elements, because in B we have 6 elements. So the correct option is B. See, 3 consecutive terms of an AP. So when 3 consecutive terms they'll give, you can do by A2 minus A1 equals A3 minus A2. Here A1, A2, A3. A2 is 2k plus 1 minus k. A3 is 2k plus 3 minus, use the bracket, 2k plus 1. 2k minus k is k plus 1. Here 2k plus 3 minus 2k minus 1. 2k, 2k cancel. K plus 1 equals 3 minus 1 is 2. So k equals 2. If I'll transpose this one, minus 1. So k equals 1. So the correct option is A. Or otherwise you can do another method, that is if A, B, C, if you consider these terms as A, B, C, if A, B, C are in AP, then 2B equals A plus C. This condition you can use. So 2 times 2k plus 1 equals A is k, C is 2k plus 3. 2 times 2k is 4k plus 2 times 1 is 2. 2k plus k is 3k plus 3. 4k minus 3k equals 3 minus 2. So 4k minus 3k is k, 3 minus 2 is 1. So the correct option is A. The quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2n minus root 2. See, you can use the formula x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. So here x square minus x into alpha is root 2, beta is minus root 2, and here root 2 into minus root 2. So x square, root 2 minus root 2 is 0, plus into minus minus, root 2 into root 2 is 2. So x square minus 2. So the answer is C. Correct option is C. Next one. A n value is like n by n plus 1. Then A 2017. Simple. So A 2017 is 2017 by 2017 plus 1. So 2017 by 2018. Correct option is B. Next one. A cylinder and cone. A cylinder and cone have bases of equal radii and equal heights, then their volumes are in the ratio. See, in the question first we have cylinder. So while writing, you write volume of cylinder by volume of cone. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi r square h cancel. So 1 divided by 1 by 3. So this will become reciprocal. 1 into 3 by 1. So ratio is 3:1. So the correct option is C. because in the starting we have cylinder then cone. So answer is 3:1. So correct option is C. The total surface area of a solid hemisphere whose radius is 7. See, total surface area of hemisphere, the formula is for hemisphere 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square. 3 answers, all the options are in terms of pi. So I'll write pi as it is. Radius is 7 square. 3 pi 7 square is 49. 49 times 3 is 147 pi. 147 pi. So the correct option is C. Next, a quadratic equation has two distinct real roots. Distinct real roots. See, if b square minus 4ac, if it is greater than 0, we'll be getting distinct real roots. So the correct option here is A. And if it is b square minus 4ac less than 0, no real roots or imaginary roots. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, roots will be equal roots. But here they told distinct real roots, so it should be greater than 0. So next, 27th question. The degree of the polynomial 5x power 7 minus 6x power 5 plus 7x minus 4. So in this, the highest power of the variable is here 7. Here 5, here 1. So highest is 7, so that is the degree. So the correct option is C. Degree is 7. Nth term of a progression. See, this is GP. So nth term of a GP, okay, a r power n minus 1. So the correct option is D. Which of the following equation has the solution of 1 comma minus 1? See, this you can do by trial and error. Substitute these values in the first one. So here substitute here in the first one. 3 into 1, 2 into 1. So 3 plus 2, 5. So this is not possible. Here it is not there. Check it out. 3 into 1 minus 2 into minus 1. 3 minus into minus plus 3 plus 2, 5. But here answer is 6. So this is not the correct option. Go for this one. 3 into 1 plus 2 into minus 1. 3 plus into minus minus 3 minus 2 you will get here, which is 1. But here it is 6. So it is not the correct option. Here you try 3 into 1 minus 2 into minus 1. So 3 minus into minus plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5. So here the correct option is C. If you want, you can check here. 3 into 1 plus 2 into minus 1, which is 3 minus 2, which is 1, but here it is 5. So the correct option is C. X is a letter in the word examination, then its roster form. So here see, we need to write roster form. So roster form means we'll not repeat the letters. Like see, E, X, A, M, I, N, A already repeated, T, I already repeated, O, N. N already we got it. So E, X, A, M, I, E, X, A, M, I, N, T, O. See all the letters we have here. E, X, M, I, A is not there in this. See here, E, X, M, A, I, N, T, O is not there. S, there is no letter in the word S. Examination. So these two are, you can cut it directly. In this two, here we have all the letters. So correct option is here B. Next one. See here, this diagram, these two diagram. See, both are like different circles. So if they both are different circles, those are like disjoint sets. So the correct option is C. Don't go with the size. Okay. So because for confusion purpose, they gave A equals B. In sets, we'll write elements. So don't see they are the same size. A equals B. Don't do that. So A and B are disjoint sets. So correct option is C. Just I'll show how A subset of B will be. So see, if this is mu, this is B, inside that if we'll write A, this is A subset of B, this one, and next B subset of A, this is A, inside that I'll write B. This is B is in A, but this is both are different, so A and B are disjoint sets. Next one, the discriminant of this one. See, discriminant of the standard quadratic equation, if you write ax square plus bx plus c, if you compare here, A is P, B is Q, C is R. Discriminant is B square minus 4AC. So here B is Q square minus 4, A is P, C is R. Q square minus 4PR. Q square minus 4PR. So the correct option is B. Number of zeros in this last question. Number of zeros that can be identified by the following figure. So here see, no zeros. Okay. Because x-axis, the graph, if it cuts x-axis at 2 points, will get 2 zeros. The graph, if it cuts x-axis at 1, 2, 3, 4 points, so 4 zeros. This one, the graph cuts x-axis at 1 point, so 1 0. Here it is not cutting the x-axis at any point, so no zeros. So the correct option is A. See, this paper, March 2018, Andhra Pradesh State Board, Part B. Thank you.